Bro, request how to hide friend list on Facebook.